Okay.
Okay. This is an 83 Jeep Cj7, and tonight I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to do a hub swap here. Now the Jeep stock has this worn hub, and they're notoriously weak. They're held on by, this is a 5-bolt, there's also a 6-bolt design apparently. This is the 5-bolt. I'm going to pull up, already pulled 4 bolts out. Now I take out the 5th one. Once you do that, this piece comes off, and then in behind is your gear that engages when you go into 4-wheel drive. And this piece here is held on just with a clip like that. I've already popped the clip off. It just fits into a groove here. Anyway, this piece just pulls off, and that's it. That's your hub assembly right there. So we set that aside. There's the groove where the clip goes in. This is our new hubs. These are mile makers. Just a quick look over, you can see this is made of steel, where the old Warren hub is just aluminum. These hubs can crack and break. This piece in here I think is plastic. The mile maker is all steel construction, as you can see inside. Anyway, all you do here to put the mile maker hub on is put a little bit of gasket sealer around the hub here. This kit didn't come with gaskets. I bought it used on eBay, so it did come with gaskets, and I'm just going to use some sealer on there. This piece slides on. And then you can push the shaft back into the hub, push it out, and you can just see the groove there. Then the snap ring goes back on. Also, my fasteners, I'm using a 2-inch grade 5 fastener. If you look inside here, you can see that's actually recessed. So if you use a 2-inch fastener, your shank actually goes down into the hub, which makes for a really strong connection here. So this actually comes out the other side of the hub, goes into there, and makes that, holds that in place. So once you've got this piece on, it's all bolted. You just pull your stub ahead. You can put the clip on here, and then once that's all done, you could put a little bit of lube here, not too much though. They recommend that you don't use very much lube. Then you just install the cap on there, put in the little screws that hold it, tighten everything up, and you're gone from this cheesy looking Warren to a heavy duty mile maker. You're not going to break these. Anyway, there it is. So have a good time wheeling with a set of mile makers. Thanks, Serena.